Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add tabs to your Windows 11 File Explorer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to start off by opening up the search icon down in your taskbar and type in Store. Best result should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. In the search apps field up at the top, type in Files. And go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should say Files. So go ahead, again, it should be near the top here, and it is a free app. So go ahead and open that up. It should be made by Yair, and then his last name, first letter is A. Go ahead and select the free button. And you can always uninstall this app as well through the apps and features, and you can see apps installed in here too. So you're welcome to come back in here and actually uninstall this app if you change your mind. So anyway, you can see that it was installing at the present time, and it has been installed. So if you go ahead and actually launch this, you'll see that we have a new File Explorer. It doesn't actually replace our old one. We still have it here, but you see we have a slightly different icon, except this File Explorer actually has tabs. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Pretty cool little utility in my opinion. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.